Hello students, myself Popere KS, Assistant Professor Botany of Ray Shikshan Sanstha's RBNB College, Sri Rampur. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the transcription apparatus. Means what are all the things which are required for the process of transcription to occur or start the process of transcription. So what is first? What is transcription? Transcription, it is a process in which DNA will act as a template and from that the RNA will be synthesized. Means from DNA a copy of RNA will be synthesized. So now let us start with the transcription apparatus. Now this transcription apparatus means the different things which are required for transcription to occur. Now the basic transcription apparatus is RNA polymerase itself. The enzyme RNA polymerase is itself a basic transcription apparatus. Now about the RNA polymerase, it is also called as transcriptase. The enzyme, it is also called as transcriptase. It is also called as DNA dependent RNA polymerase. So, what does it mean, DNA dependent RNA polymerase? Because RNA polymerase required DNA for synthesis of the RNA. So, this DNA, it will act as a template for synthesis of RNA, and this transcription, it is catalyzed by the enzyme that is RNA polymerase. So this transcription will occur in presence of the enzyme that is RNA polymerase. Now we will study the structure or the this RNA polymerase. Now this RNA polymerase, in case of the prokaryote, this is also known as holoenzyme. So in case of prokaryote, this RNA polymerase, it is also called as holoenzyme. Now this holoenzyme, it is made up of different units that will be two alpha subunit, one beta subunit, then beta dash subunit, then omega subunit, and the last one is that is sigma subunit. So this holoenzyme in case of the prokaryote, it is made up of this different subunit, that is 2 alpha, 1 beta dash, omega and sigma subunit. Now this is called as holoenzyme. For the transcription to occur, the association of this different unit are required for transcription. Now we will see the function of this different subunit of alpha, beta, beta dash, omega and that is sigma. Now the function of alpha unit is to bind to the RNA polymerase to the DNA template. So this is a function of the alpha subunit. It will bind the RNA polymerase to the DNA template. Now next is the beta subunit. The function of this subunit is polymerization. Polymerization means it will help the RNA polymerase to synthesize or the polymerization of the RNA strand which is formed during the transcription. Now the next unit, that is the beta dash, it also help in binding of RNA polymerase to the DNA template. Now next is the omega subunit. The function of this omega subunit is to stabilize the RNA polymerase or RNA polymerase stability. Now the last unit, that is the sigma subunit. The function of this subunit is the initiation of transcription. So now these are the functions of the different subunit. This will help the RNA polymerase to bind to the template or the DNA strand. Now when this all units are present, that is the sigma, beta, beta dash, omega and this omega and sigma, at that time this enzyme is called as holoenzyme. Now the structure. So this is the in this holoenzyme, this sigma subunit will also be present, but after when this sigma unit is removed from the this RNA polymerase, it is called as core enzyme. So this is called as holoenzyme, and now this is called as core enzyme. as we can see in this case the sigma unit is removed from the that is from the holoenzyme. After the removal of the sigma subunit, this enzyme changes into the core enzyme, and now this is the enzyme which will do the further process of synthesis or extending of the RNA strand. Now so this holoenzyme, it is important for the initiation of the transcription. Now next we will see there are other transcription factors which are also important for transcription to occur. So first is the template. Now what will be the template for the synthesis of the RNA, DNA, that is double stranded DNA. It will be acting as a template for synthesis of the RNA, but during this transcription process only one of the two strand will act as a template for synthesis of RNA, and the strand which is acting as a template for the transcription is called as a sense strand. So this sense strand is the one which is acting as a template. This is acting as a template for the synthesis of the RNA, that is the RNA from the DNA. Now the strand which is not acting as a template or which is not helping in the process of transcription, that strand is called as a nonsense strand. So this is the nonsense strand which is not acting as a template. So the other strand is called as the nonsense strand. Now in this during the process of transcription, the one gene will code for one polypeptide. So during this transcription process, what will happen? One gene will code for the one polypeptide. Now after this, the template strand, there will be also involvement of some factors, that is the charged nucleotide. They are also important for the transcription, that is so these are the nucleotides which are also required during transcription process, that is ATP, GTP, CTP and UTP. Now this is adenine, ribose, and this is the 3-phosphate, like that. So these is also required during the transcription process. That is the charged nucleotide, that is ATP, GTP, CTP and UTP. It is adenine ribose phosphate, that is guanine ribose phosphate, cytosine ribose phosphate and uracil ribose phosphate. So in case of the RNA, as in the case of the DNA, there will be presence of thymine, but in case of the RNA, the thymine, it is replaced by uracil because it is an RNA. Now one more thing is also important during the transcription process, that is the divalent ion. Mg2 plus and Mn2 plus. So these are the divalent ions. They are also required during the transcription. It will stabilize the RNA structures, or it will help in the transcription process to occur. So this is about the transcription apparatus which will be required during the transcription process to start, or these will be the things which will be required first, and after that the transcription process will occur. So thank you.